Good morning, everyone! I made my first pumpkin spice latte. Just last month I had pumpkin spice latte for the first time at the Pumpkin Paradise. I hope you've seen the video. There's still some pumpkin chunks inside. I know it might be a little excessive to make a whole pumpkin puree in the morning just for a drink. But just last month I had pumpkin spice latte for the very first time. And then I went on vacation to South Korea, and there I really fell in love with specialty coffee drinks. So I kind of want to incorporate it more into my everyday life. So yeah, it might have been a little bit excessive, but it's autumn, so to complete my pumpkin autumn breakfast, I also made a pumpkin spice mug cake, and I added some spiced almond butter as well, and I'm really excited to try this. This is my breakfast. It's surprisingly moist and fluffy. I wasn't expecting it to be so good coming out of the microwave. The almond butter is so good. And isn't this mug perfect for the pumpkin spice mug cake? So good. So good. I still have a lot of pumpkin puree left, so either I make a lot more pumpkin spice lattes over the next week, or I make some other pumpkin treats. Last month at the Pumpkin Paradise, I ate pumpkin cinnamon rolls, and it didn't taste much like pumpkin, so I'm kind of thinking maybe I should try to make them myself and elevate the pumpkin flavor a little bit. Otherwise, I can make pumpkin bread rolls. I made them last year. That was good, but it wasn't perfect, so I might have to improve a little bit. Or on vacation, I also ate a lot of interestingly flavored cakes, and there was a pumpkin cake as well, so maybe I should do a pumpkin cake. But yeah, I have a lot of options with the puree that I made out of the pumpkin, but for now I'll just enjoy my cozy breakfast. And since the weather is so nice, and I haven't really experienced autumn so far because I was away for so long, I kind of missed peak autumn here. And in South Korea, it wasn't fall yet. When I was there, there was still about 30 degrees Celsius, so it was still really, really warm. And I've been running around in shorts and skirts all the time. Just now, when I went back, it's gotten a lot colder. But the leaves haven't changed there yet. So when I came back here and I saw all the leaves have already turned, I kind of panicked. I was afraid I missed everything, and I think I missed the peak. Because here, once the leaves turn color, you have about 1 week and then they're gone. They don't last long. So since the weather is so nice today, I really want to go on a walk.
She's a deadhead sticker and a camo hat. She's a fill up the van and never look back. Tie-dye bandana, Monterey to Montana, and a hand at the window when surfing away. Oh, one of these days, wish I could get her to stay. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I'd give to be with her. She'll pass through town, come back around, roll in and out like the river. She's free as the wind, and I'm caught in her love. 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 Met her last summer at a Red Rock show. She was barefoot dancing in the 15th row. Rose-colored sunglasses, sundress with some magic, and her hands in the air, just watching her sway. Feelings like that don't fade. Was a hell of a day. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I'd give to be with her. She'll pass through town, come back around, roll in and out like the river. She's free as the wind, and I'm caught in her love. 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 she'll pass through town, come back around, rolling in and out like the river. She's free as the wind, and I'm caught in her love. I'm caught in her love. I'm caught in her love. I'm caught in her love.
I cannot remember the last time when I saw so many leaves. Usually the rain washes down all the brown and colorful leaves right when they start turning color. So immediately when they're turning from green to red to yellow to brown to all these beautiful colors, the weather is so bad that the rain washes them down before you can really enjoy them. And I don't think I've ever seen, or at least I haven't noticed it, when this forest was this colorful during good weather. I don't think I've experienced that since childhood. And back then I probably didn't really appreciate it. But today, it's so beautiful. I am a spring lover. I prefer spring over autumn just because the days are getting colder and shorter during autumn, and I noticed that already. It's getting dark so early, and that's kind of depressing. I know it's cozy when you put all these candles up everywhere, but I'm a little afraid of fire, so I tend to not do that, and it just gets gloomy when it's dark so early, and I cannot go outside when it's dark and cold. So that's why I don't love autumn. But today, walking around in this beautiful forest, catching leaves, that was so much fun. I haven't done that in ages. It was so much fun. I kind of fell in love with autumn. I see why so many people love autumn. The temperatures today are warm for autumn. Obviously, I'm wearing a sweater, but it's warm enough to just go outside in a sweater, which is really comfy, and I don't have yet to wear a jacket. So this is the autumn that I get behind. This is the autumn that I also love. Sadly, these beautiful autumn days are far and few in between. I heard while I was away on vacation, the weather was pretty bad as well, so it wasn't a nice, warm, colorful autumn yet. But I'm glad I'm experiencing this day today. I get it now. This is magical. I wish all of autumn would be like this, but we have November now, and the leaves will be gone soon. And then we'll probably get a lot more misty days, which I also love, but it's a little creepy in the forest, not gonna lie. I went once and I came into a fog cloud and I was spooked. Usually I don't meet many people, like one or two sometimes, usually people I know, and most often I meet them, like they go in the opposite direction of me. But back then, in the mist, when it was dark and gloomy and misty and you couldn't see far, someone was coming up behind me. Oh no! Oops. So then someone was coming up behind me and that was so creepy. I kind of want to stay here, but I'm getting a little hungry now. It's pretty much time for lunch. But it's so pretty. I hope it stays like this for a few more days. I love it.